Hi everyone, today we are going to study another fact-finding technique, that is group discussion. In our previous video we have discussed personal interviews as a method of fact-finding, and today we are going to study group discussion. In group discussion, a group of staff members are invited who are expected to be well versed in their own wings of the organization. So basically, group discussion itself means that there is a discussion which will be held among the members of the group. So it involves many people and not just one person, unlike a personal interview. Whenever a group discussion has to be conducted, the system analyst invites people from different departments or different sections or different wings. Like for example, in an organization, different wings or departments can be the IT department, the HR department, the accounts department. So people who are well versed in their own departments are invited by the system analyst, and they then participate in the group discussion. The analyst will have a discussion with the members for their views and responses to various queries posed by them. So basically, this group discussion is conducted so that the analyst can get to know collectively about the views of all the members of the groups, and he can respond to various queries by them. Each and every person from different department or wing will have his own queries which would relate to his specific department. So that way a system analyst can respond to the queries of each and every wing which is represented by an individual in a group discussion. In this process, individuals from different sections gather together and will discuss the problem at hand. As I said, people from different specialities or different departments gather together, and then together they discuss the problem at hand with the system analyst, because of which a new system will be developed. Obviously, there is a problem, only then it is considered that a new information system should be developed for the organization. Ultimately, they come to an optimum solution after discussing so many things. The system analyst, after he gives responses to all the queries by the members of the group, after having discussions with all the members of the groups, after getting to know the views of the different members of the group, finally the end of the meeting or the end of the group discussion is that everyone comes up with an optimal solution. Optimum solution means a solution which is best for each and every member of the organization. Unlike personal interviews where solution is found related to a single person, but here everyone is taken into consideration and a solution is found which is optimum, in the sense that this solution suits every section of the organization. In this process, the problems of all the sections are taken care of in most of the cases, and solutions are found which are acceptable to everyone. Now, in such a big organization where there are different sections or departments, apart from the common problem of the organization, there will be problems which would be specific to those departments or sections. So in a group discussion, problems of all those problems of the different sections are taken care of, and solutions are found such that they are acceptable to everyone. Different departments, a solution should be found that all the different departments agree to that particular solution. That means which is acceptable to everyone, and it works in favor of every department and not just one. The main disadvantage of this process is that it is very difficult to get all the concerned people together at a time. Though this is a very good fact-finding technique, but the only problem that a system analyst may face, or the only challenge that a system analyst may face, is that it is very difficult to gather all the peoples from different sections at the same time. It may be possible that one person from one section or department is free, but the other person from the other department is not free. So taking care of the fact that a meeting is held or a group discussion is held at a time where every person from every section is available for that meeting, this is a challenge in itself. And the major advantage is that a mutually acceptable solution can be found, since people from different wings or different sections are available for the discussion. So the end of the discussion would definitely conclude in a solution which is acceptable by everyone, because if there is something which is not acceptable by everyone, a query or a doubt would be raised there and then. So at the end, a solution would be found which is acceptable to everyone, and everyone agrees upon that particular solution, which is very important in such a large organization. So this is the major advantage, that the system analyst gets to know there and then whether this solution would be agreed upon by everyone or not. So basically at the end they come up with a solution which is mutually acceptable by each and every person of different wings.